case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1888, the United States Supreme Court heard the case of Maynard v. Hill, which focused on the power of lawmakers to dissolve a marriage and enact laws regulating marriage, including divorce. David S. Maynard had been granted a divorce by the Legislative Assembly of the Territory of Oregon, but his wife challenged the decision in court, arguing that the legislature did not have the power to pass the act and that it interfered with her property rights. The lower court ruled in favor of David, leading his wife to appeal to the Supreme Court. The case before the Supreme Court raised two questions: the validity of the legislative act and whether the divorce nullified the wife's right to a portion of the donation claim. The court determined that the legislature's power extended to all rightful subjects of legislation, including marriage and divorce, and that there was no direct prohibition against legislative divorce or constitutional prohibition against legislative control over the marriage relation. Ultimately, the Supreme Court upheld the legislative power to grant divorces and the Divorce Act in question. The court reasoned that a settler's wife could only acquire land interest through her husband, and after divorce, her interest could not exceed his. Therefore, the wife was not entitled to half of the donation claim.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.